Hi guys, I'm back with White Nights review again. Today's color is Scarlet Light and it's number 328. This color is light but he's not really bright, so it took me a few tries to make it looks more brighter. It reminds me red roses and Asian culture. You know, it's pretty popular to use red lipstick on your lips and put red makeup on your eyes. Actually, I like this type of makeups. It's quite hot. Anyway, back to the point, it's also a color of dragon fruit. It's a fruit from Pitahaya cactus. I have tasted one of them not a long time ago, and that is why I'm drawing this fruit now. Dragon fruit is considered as an exotic product where I live, so I have tasted it at the first time at my life. I'm not often draw food, so it was a challenge for me. I also don't usually draw much in realistic style. Anyway, it was interesting to try to draw something unusual for me. I like how green looks here. The mix of green and red colors makes this art looks fresh and live. I love how these colors match each other. I think that Scarlet Light should be used as the main red color. Other colors look good against the background with it. I like it. By the way, enjoy watching. See you at the end of this video. Well, I did all what I want and you can see the results now. The gradation of this color and how the final art looks. I also made a version with line art and I like it more because it suits my style. Hope you like it. See you!